In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Java on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, just go to any browser and here search for Oracle Java, then press enter. Then you need to go to this official page, oracle.com. Click here and then you will see this option called download Java. Click on it. Then if you go down, you will see Java version for Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So we need to download the Windows version. So we are going to choose it from here and we are going to choose this installer on. And one more thing that I'll just keep this link in the description so that you can just directly come to this page. So we are going to download this on 64-byte installer. So let me just click here. And there you can see that it started downloading and it is around 205 MB. It will take some time. So right now I will just fast forward the video. And there you can see the download is complete. Right now we just need to double click on this downloaded file. So I'll just double click here. Then it will show you something like this. Here you just need to click on next. Then here it will show you where it will install Java. I will recommend you to keep it the way it is, keep it default, then click on next and it will install Java. And it is done. You can just now close it. So right now we need to set the Java environment path. For it, what you need to do is that we need to go to our Windows search option, then we need to search for environment. Here you can see edit the system environment variables. Just click here. Then you need to click over here environment variable. Click on it. After that you need to come over here. Here you can see system variables and inside it you need to find the path option here. Here you can see it says path. After selecting the path, click on edit. Then here you need to click on new option. Click on new. And here you need to keep the Java location or Java path. So for it, what you need to do is that just go to your folder and you need to go to local disk C. Then we'll go to program files. And here you need to find the Java. Here you can see Java that we just downloaded right now. Then we need to go inside the JDK folder. Then we need to go inside the bin folder. After coming to the bin folder, we just need to click at the top. Then we need to copy this. After copying this, we need to go back over here. Let me just minimize it. We need to go back over here and let me just click on the new option again. And we need to paste whatever we just copied. Then we'll just click on OK. Then click on OK and OK. Right now, if we just go to our command prompt, if we just say here cmd, it will show us command prompt. Click on it, and if we say here java -- version, then press enter, there you can see it will show us the Java version over here. So this is how we can download and install Java on our Windows. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.